what's up everybody? It's another unboxing. The Cricket Wireless Motorola E5 Supra. See that? It is a let's go ahead and do this is a pre-unboxing, so I already opened it and charged it and everything and used it, but wanted to let you guys know what comes in the box and everything. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up and see. So we got the phone, it's already on, you guys, so it comes with the like kind of like a user instruction and what comes in it, SIM card. It also comes with the key to actually open the SIM slot, and just the regular USB charger, micro USB charger, and the adapter. Let's put this aside because nobody wants to see the box. Well, here it is, you guys, the E5 Supra. Motorola's got, oh, it also comes with a case, y'all. It's a clear case, clear facing on there. But here's the Supra. It has the front facing camera on the top, and then you also have the flash on the back. It also has the rear camera and flash, fingerprint security sensor on there. Scan your fingerprint and opens it up and stuff like that, like your usual one. Also has the Cricket logo on there. Why does Cricket always put their logos on phones? But anyways, it also has the port for the headphones, and the micro USB charging, and it has the power key, volume rockers here, and the SIM slots on this side. Everything you have to poke to get into it. But anyways, let's go ahead and, you know, I already turned it on, you guys, so the E5 Cruise. There it is right here. Zoom into it and see. It just focuses. Hopefully this thing focuses good. Okay, there it goes. Let's focus it in. So here is the phone, and unlock it. It's already been used, you guys, so but anyways, it's just your standard Android. I think it's running off the Android let's see, 8.0. Let's see. Yep, it's the 8th version. Okay, and then there's your specs and everything on there. But anyways, this is just a quick unboxing and turn off and on there. Don't have too much light over here, but you can see it. The unboxing. I will post the video quality and stuff on on here too, just to show you guys this thing. But anyways, that's it for now. Alright, catch you guys on another unboxing. Want to say thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell on the far right corner of your screen to let you know that I get a video every time. But and don't forget to share too. Thanks, peace.